A person whose eyes are 5.2 feet from the ground stands at a distance of 21.45 feet from the base of a tower. The person looks upward at the top of the tower with an angle of elevation of 0.1 pi radians. What is the height of the tower? Let's draw this out. This is where you're going to really see my amazing artistic skills. There's our guy. He is looking at a tower. We don't know how tall the tower is. That's kind of the point. All right, so here is a tower. What we do know is this guy is 5.2 feet from the ground. Okay, he's looking up at an angle of elevation of 0.13 pi radians. We know he's 21.45 feet from the base of the tower. So you're 21.45. And my job is to find the height of the tower. So we'll call the height of the tower y because this is precalculus and up and down uses y. So what I need to do is I need to figure out which trig function, SOHCAHTOA, is going to give us the adjacent and the opposite side. Well, tangent does that. So we would say that the tangent of our angle, 0.13 pi, is going to equal y over 21.45. Now, my job is to find y, but that's not going to be it. But I'll get to that in a second. If I want to try to throw all of this into my calculator all at once, which is what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply both sides by 21.45. I'm going to multiply both sides by 21.45. And so in my calculator, I now know that y is equal to 21.45 tangent 0.13 pi. However, that's not the height of the whole tower. The height of the whole tower is done by calculating 21.45 tangent 0.13 pi. But then on top of that, the fact that this guy is 5.2 feet off the ground. So I'm going to add 5.2 to that. And that will give me the height of the tower if I type it all in one foul swoop. So let's do that. All right, so we did all the heavy lifting on the Google slide video part thing, whatever you want to call it. So now all we have to do is just type that out. 21.45 tangent of 0.13 pi. Pi is u. Close the parentheses. And that gives us the height of the tower without the person's height. So let's add the person's height to it. And that gets us 14.4822. So it's a small tower, but it didn't say it had to be big. It's a small tower. So not a big tower here. You got 14.482 feet. So, yeah, that's what you get. Small tower.